Presenting Minimac MLC Trix series oil conditioning system, a class-leading equipments packed with all 4 technologies for contaminations removal from oil. These technologies are stage-wise mechanical filtration, low vacuum dehydration, dry inert gas blanketing, and tan reductions by ion exchange. These 4-stage conditioning system removes all 3 forms of contaminations from phosphate ester, also known as a fire resistance, or electro-hydraulic control system, fluid used in turbine control systems. The 3 forms of contamination reduced and maintained by these systems are solid, water and acid contamination with guaranteed result. TAN value is up to 0.15 mgKOH per gram. Solid contamination is more than NAS 5. Moisture contamination is less than 500 ppm, with all other properties maintained well within limits. The application of this system ranges from power generation plants, steel and rolling mills, cement and RCM and non-ferrous minerals plants to coal and metal mines, pulp and paper plants, automobile manufacturing and pressing, stamping, forging and foundry. The system comprises 2-stage filter ranging from 10 to 3 microns, comes with an online particle counter for continuous NAS analysis. For oil dehydration, a heating tank is placed and connected with a vacuum pump to discharge moisture in form of water vapor. Sitting on top is the TAN reduction column with ion exchange, maintaining the desired acid level in oil. Next to it is a blanketing system for tank heater space, eliminating the presence of oxygen in oil tank through nitrogen blanketing. All systems are controlled by an electrical control panel housing in the front of the machine. This robust equipment is protected by a strong iron frame and additional caster wheels and lifting hook for easy maneuver. This system can clean electro-hydraulic oil, lube oil, hydraulic oil and gear oil used in various industrial plants. The MLC Trix oil conditioning system has saved many power plants in India from unexpected shutdowns and avoid production loss. Our vision to spearhead technology evolution towards zero mechanical breakdowns, save our valuable customers millions of dollars spent on maintenance. Contact us today to reduce your carbon footprint and safeguard your plants from mechanical breakdowns.